All right, what's dynamite without a sound? So I went here to bfxr.net and I'm going to grab an explosion, and I already kind of found one that I played around with them a little bit here. You can see I've tried them. I hit play, and that's the one I'm going to use for right now. So I just go ahead and say export WAV file. It says where do you want to store it. I actually have a file over here that I store, and it is in my sounds folder. So I'm just going to store it in there. All right, so once I store it in my sounds folder, I'll go back to my program, and to insert a sound, I just right click on sound and say create sound, sound underscore explode, good enough a name as any, and then I go to the little file thing, I hit file, I go to that same thing we found here a moment ago, and we say, go down and find sound for this file. Sorry, I could have done this a little easier. And then this one was just called sound explode. We made it pretty straightforward. All right. Really? Really, people? I think it was Explosion 05 is one I did. Okay. And so we just say, okay. So now really all we have to do is we have to go to this dynamite and say when it hits the ground, dynamite explodes. So we're just going to go in here somewhere and say audio, play, sound, sound, explode. 0,0. The first one is priority. The second one is loop. We don't want it to loop. Priority, I think, is a little shaky in whether it actually works as way it's supposed to or not. But that's all we got for right now. We'll just go ahead and say, okay, run it. And really the only thing that's added is that we've created a sound effect to that thing falling. It falls. It hits. It should explode with a sound. What we were looking for. That's all we got for today. Thanks.